A lot of you are having trouble with creating a text box, so I'm going to show you on this comic. All you have to do is hit the T tool and it will come up with a box. To make it bigger or smaller, you just drag the corners. To move it, you just click. You just click and drag. You just got to find the right spot. It might take a few times to get it, but you can get it. You can type. You can change the color. And then to delete it, you hit the three dots. You can even change the font if you like. Or you mess up, you delete it, and you're done.